And Pennyforce one can say to you, and they said Mahama Nenia Bresa Crodom, the president of the land, the first gentleman. Nenia Bresa Crodom about clashing with bloggers, YouTubers, vloggers, any omo the media space no. Mahama enu about clashing. A very low crew. Have ever went to the moon? Watch the watching Amame. Ever comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like video. No, I'm a subscribe button. Snap back the notification and places updates. Snap back to the watching the Amame. Ever comment section. That's also Baswa. No shade for so any be ashe. Over politics in Ghana, media plays significant role. In fact, politics in media so because without the media there is nothing like politics. Own to me, and brother was saying about my car, Alpha megaphone. Now one and now it's all cassette in there be a media and the press. And a bebo abo asem who they would amount. It's media the idea be a who the dia gra as a party who the media the dia gra ubere. Sa MPP media di agro do mu aban mu ase ekwowi omu sa no made pom ye media na ntima kan ho ase but omu bone ana media no ebo omu achi according to the media no MPP entreat omu ye etino made bone nkwa na media no e kan ho ase the media sabotage the MPP government but enye ho ase na ye kan ahwemu a media no a very powerful tool when it comes to the issue of politics and the end is for so ehu ye e dia to about on phone omu we ne ye do betra konya so ape as of 6 February 2025, Anna Sam Georgia, then now we proposed Minister for Information and Communication. Obedin Komo at the floor of Parliament. And I can say, oh, as a proposed Minister for Information and Communication, no, idea obey say, or the mra ebeba emran ebetia disinformation and misinformation.
The ministry will be coming again to deal with the issues of mis and disinformation with legislation to this house. And I will urge members of Parliament to support it. Because, Mr. Speaker, even in this chamber yesterday, there was misinformation. In fact, in the past 1 week, this House has carried out business on 2 occasions on the back of misinformation. The Appointments Committee of Parliament had to deal with an issue of mis and disinformation when it invited Oliver Baka-Pomao, because there was no authentication of what the committee put before him as his own post. Meanwhile, it was doctored. Yesterday, the Honorable Member for Damongo, Honorable Abu Jinapo, made reference to a photo that had been altered and digitally created on the floor of this house. It's important that we take misinformation and disinformation seriously and deal with it once and for all. And crack the whip and make sure that persons who are actively engaged in this face the full rigors of the law. And Mr. Speaker, with your support as Minister, we will bring legislation to deal with it.
On that same issue, Anna, about 3-4 days ago, Mahama met the press for a conversation or addressing Ghana through the media. Emma now, so now one of the aspects we treat here bloggers and the media in role of Ghana politics. Mahama say now Akwa say even the big media outlets no omo nyina picking intelligence from these bloggers now almost set the agenda every media for no.
Communications is dealing with a wider range of people, not only traditional well-organized media houses but also individuals, especially the new group called bloggers, who go to events with journalists and vie for positions with them to get the best shots and the best stories. And they just go with their phone, edit, and then they put the news out. So the media landscape has changed and the sources of information has changed. And in many cases, it is those people who are setting the agenda, because for most of our stations in the morning, they're taking a lot of news from what 1957 covered, or what GH something covered, and they have all these their little inscriptions they put on their videos, and that drives the discussion in the morning. So they become a very important part of that segment, but are unregulated, and so sometimes they go to the extreme. The language is filthy. I mean, they can just go to town, either insulting somebody or sometimes on the limits of hate speech. And these are things that in the whole world people are beginning to look at and say, how can we regulate hate speech? How can we regulate, extreme foul language, And so it's just an issue I'm raising so that all of us can begin to think about it. And the point is, would we classify them in the typical sense of journalists? I mean, those bloggers, are they typically journalists? Those are all questions that must agitate our minds.
And in this issue of Mahama, I said, what's your dissatisfaction towards, media? So I'm a bloggers necessary agenda because Mahama to them says, program be a air cost one, and yeah, bloggers for the omukom more as compared to the media, called media for no, or be a quite just or per charge near the day, PC, blogger don't know about or be content. Blogger no know about or no near some or no be or be the content now call. But media dear to about media no pisca, media be charge. I say media the be charge. Your bloggers don't know about or be charge. Uncle, I had the fair say when your chance, I be take update for that issue. Almost me a live streaming the media they be show no. And one of bloggers issue. It bloggers no. Sometimes with me masam with me twisted caption beer, fabricated caption beer. And I'm cramming one of me me. What is it? It is that issue no. Anna Mahama I address it. No, I don't think I query ya pe. Anna bloggers no. I reply TikTok Montana so. I reply Mahama say masa. What's my work on? And opposition. Oh, her Captain Smartmo. Oh, Metrum show so can drama with candy, woman, the ending, and trust on no more chat. What can I be cancer hapte company about media? Mind me and cash and ne, ya did be the moody and Muna Musu. Oh, my baby, like my hammer.
Ghana for Asɛm Kasebe Jonesa. Timmy, I make a say, Messi, or the bay open, yen to muda, or the bay open, yen to muda. But didn't a video say President John Mahama the first time not buying a year 2012 to 2016. Sa time no na a year social media and never ho but pune mbu emusa. Empona and you'll be an a craft phone. Before kita phone crana a keepers and now social media and your commons are into your fan who the dim or fan a 3D dim. Me who video be a John Mahama can say. Bloggers be honoma. Omutimi ko fa pictures bi ana videos bi. No ma kasa a caption and some can we be agenda boys no kan omo asem. Omo shada caption some can we be na omo set problems and omo set confusion e wo Ghana ha. Ebi wo kura no di atem or ye niam bi ehun hia wo social media. Na sa nkofo ne be classify omo as journalist ana by Osha concern no reason also raise concern at Ghana for Osha concern no reason or pay aye bibi say omonfa amla bi famla nembla sa nyema nyina atem di na koso social media nyina but President Mahama sa asem we die me fellow die but sa asem we die ahwa emfa o Ghana because senior issue ye senior sending so ye and sounds in the years of the year, and we be a hermfa. Nanka, ebefa, and Katama call from the start, so we didn't know for that terminal. I was social media, especially TikTok. Tama Kevin Taylor Cramino, or Shas so did the terminal, and was all stopping and 10 termina because Nanko or no Kwama NDC. And ya Ghana no Kwama NDC. Into Kohona president, and I was stopping and 10 termina. Now so one stop. Sisi a escalate. Uchu mutai nkwala na de omo de beyewo. Sisi a wontimi nya wo hwe. Uchu mutai omo de beyewo. Nti we de yesrewa wo de yeboko na gishe we akasen. Sisi a yo 8 ye 9th month tefansa aka 3 years. 3 years 3 months. President Mahama we dey sewa o dey enya hwe we ye kata waniji be ma no medura no be ma no medura anyu no be ma no medura anyu no sa agenda we dey ahwemfa because ngofo ni abre me kan sa asem we say social media na aba ne se pane to fompo a obia be hu me dey sa dey as a president ye me dey me meka bi na emom onkwala na dey me ma afi omo dey me fa nche omo na mo penny dey mempo saa de mempo de menge say as a president mbedi di watem mempo menge bi na mmom kaifo no ma aka ne de ebia omo de omo beye se na ye de ye na nakofo ado no ebia ebi mu beye but me de omo boa mentimi njew aha the president we dey sewa sa agenda ndi emfa because nakofo ado wanye Ghana for hwe so Ghana for de nanim twitwi gatem wanye omo hwe nti sɛnea wentimi anstop nkɔɔfo ndeɛ we de papa ɛsrɛ wa agye hyɛ wo kakra
Ghana for momra meti asɛm bia His Excellency John Mahama all katre media no asɛm no emu adu pa na ɛsan so areho mesrɛ sɛ so pɛsɛ wote the import of this message message gyina hodi na hwɛ video ni na akosi awie na tie reactions amede bɛka ho no na wobɛhu sɛ ɔman ɛne yɛ kyekyere na mom ɛnyɛ individual.
And they just go with their phone, edit, and then they put the news out. So the media landscape has changed and the sources of information has changed. And in many cases, it is those people who are setting the agenda, because for most of our stations in the morning, they're taking a lot of news from what 1957 covered, or what GH something covered, and they have all these their little inscriptions they put on their videos, and that drives the discussion in the morning. So they become a very important part of that segment, but are unregulated, and so sometimes they go to the extreme. The language is filthy. I mean, they can just go to town, either insulting somebody or sometimes on the limits of hate speech. Yeah, and these are things that in the whole world, people are beginning to look at and say, how can we regulate hate speech? How can we regulate, extreme foul language, And so it's just an issue I'm raising so that all of us can begin to think about it. And the point is, would we classify them in the typical sense of journalists? I mean, those bloggers, are they typically journalists?
Someone Ghana, President Mahama, one what yes, social media and a certain agenda, edima traditional media. Now, a traditional media, no, lazy. They don't go out for information. Now, His Excellency John Mahama, who can say, social media bloggers no omu di atem omu kan filthy words omu kan sama emfota di champanimfo omu di mpanimfo atem entini empa kwan bi so ni en regulate social media. President Mahama untumi regulate social media. TikTok enya Ghana dia, Facebook enya Ghana dia, YouTube enya Ghana dia. Muntumi regulate sani na danko akufo ado muntumi an regulate last 8 years no muntumi regulate and then the President Mahama utie social media utie 8 years ago utie the Kevin Taylor Chini Jonas Dr. Ren any NDC for a year and another danko akufo-addo e krom ha a year Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia krom ha e the year otumfo osetutu baby e krom ha e di asofo atem Kevin Taylor edi ya na mu nyina atem edi chief imam atem edi ahemfo ne mpanimfo wo Ghana atem oteye ene de why waju say wonte Chini Jonas waso obedi watem da bia yen so atem didie so ba obi didi watem a yen kan ho asem because ye didi Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo atem ye didi Dr. Bawumia atem omu didi otumfo atem no wan kan ho hwe ene de e kan wo dan ne de so hu say kwan na ntene. And then omu do atem no. What we say, you find yourself on the flip side of the coin, no, you are not happy with the development. Nana Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo de na ya de. Kevin Taylor and some of ka okroma hate speech. And in some of ka okroma na atem di die ni mpanimfo atem di die asofo mpanimfo odi o matem okroma. Ni nyina wo ha ote. And now almost start so omu do atem no de. What we say, ye ntena se, ye regulate social media. Enya adwuma His Excellency John Mahama ye be kɔ ni say ya ye de yes media ye nidi atem ye can we say it as it is. We criticize government, we speak truth to power. Nanso Kevin Taylor ene ya obey president no still na oda so didi atem. Watimi aka bibi a kire no. Uma ne bagana. Obagana na uji ne tena ho e de koto vice presidential villa. Na mo man national security protection. Ti mama ya jetum se atem didi ohoi eye. Nti go for so be di watem. Untimi regulate TikTok. Untimi nyane hwe. Enti dia no so bedi watem. Ye dia subscribe to atem didie. Na so sane am so so e ma Kevin Taylor di amanfo atem e wo kroma. Twini Jonas e di nkofo atem wo kroma. Mo ma mu sika esa ma mu protection no. Ene so mo anka say di watem a ya pagya yensa.
Na we send this ni bi so kire mu say campaign time o mu ye bi but e ba ye no onu na kunu ho ya adwuma ma this aba akon amamu mu but o ba ye this for air sideline wo mu. E don to be kana kosem.
2018 video bi ba bonti John Mahama yewu nana be kuya Ghana from pam nanado no ambulance people are dying me na me sa video no video dey trend here and more attacks 2019 John Mahama for 2020 any challenger is do or die me 2024 John Mahama for 2024 any challenger is do or die me na me this video ba bonti say John Mahama nim not now my MPP for year 2024 menu medru ewu ejan kola me your 3 boys one girl amen last video I made by and say election day I to abano ma NDC for entina ma a comedy on pulley agent and say am moduane because say MPP for the duane bre o pulley agent na park ne mienu down one na duane o top on dollars massa me na me sa video no buy 4 days to the election year day 4 days to the election day massa Director minya no attacks ama for ba menche ofie and also me na me sa video no massa me na me tofo 8 years e dey campaign my NDC 2020 so wini John Mahama wini ye wini na so mo wia e no nkoda nche it started from there up to 2024 year me na me tofo me na me poster stickers e chiche me sika master aban wini obi an frame you aban wini obi an frame na so omo ye ni mo ye campaign ye kwa up down no omo nya adwuma bia mo tifie no ena ebi mu kitaka ye adwuma habo ebi mu adwuma airport ebi mu adwuma national security ba me ye do me tifie adan mai mo boni be me na me sika to fuel 8 years se si a taxi sami kita re adwuma ma ton da ko tuaka because me dika loans na me gie loan na me gie adwuma mo party ba po ye frame me da mo see bye bye. Ade na mo politicians mo temo edisa politicians na mo bi temo edisa ade nipa be na kuma ma yedwuma ma mo nipa be na kuma ma yedwuma na so nya ba pe na mo ni nipa fofo na didi ade wicked life na ya mo ye nipa be na kuma ma yedwuma ma mo nya ba pa pe na mo ni nipa fofo na didi ade wicked life no me ezo me yi ma kuma ma yedwuma ma masa me yi ma kuma ma yedwuma ma masa somebody teaching class 8 years party about power massa obi am fro obia aden me na me dey taxi I campaign ma madina say 8 years me na me top before I campaign ma 8 years sticker me na me sika stickers church market church madina say corner bia massa banners so somebody now class be bia party abapa mo fi obia ade mu sheda na ayi mo yesade ana ade mu sheda ana ade ene edu so mo fa mo yire mo man mo koye sa kwasi adwuma na edu so mo fa mo yire mo man koye sa kwasi adwuma no because adwuma nya easy masa una manama for two so bo na ma for di watem bikitaka kwa obi ampa mika fru ade ye di mama sa nipa ye kwasi adwuma mo wi a party abapa mo fru obia enu so ede ene edu so mo fa mo yire mo man koye kwasi adwuma no mo so ye kwasi adwuma na nipa ya na unu se kwasi adwuma na nipa ye edu so mfa mo yire mo mba no ene mo busa kokko ta kwasi adwuma no eden kwasi asem no na nipa ye adwuma ma party ba pa ni ba sa tifie ama nipa ho kire sa ma to mi kas eden ni nyina agada akotua lo eden kwasi asem no unu be ba mi ska asa me tofo eko kama ye campaign ma na unu be ba mi ska tofo eko kama asa ye campaign de stickers ni banners church ama for market eden mu share people for too much.
Chirawa Jemame, comment section. How you Penyah Media.